Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid in Material UI. The Material UI grid component is a powerful tool for organizing your content into rows and columns, making your layouts both flexible and responsive. It operates on a 12-column system, allowing for precise control over element placement. This system ensures your design looks great across various screen sizes, from small mobile devices to large desktop monitors. We will cover the fundamental concepts to get you started quickly. To begin, you will first import the grid component directly from Material UI. For your main layout, apply the container prop to the parent grid element. Then, for each individual section or piece of content within that layout, use the item prop on its respective grid element. You can easily define the width of these columns using breakpoint props such as XS for extra small screens or MD for medium screens, ensuring your layout adapts beautifully. Material UI's grid offers excellent control over spacing and responsiveness. The spacing prop allows you to add consistent padding between your grid items, with values ranging from 0 to 10, where each unit represents 8 pixels. This provides a total of 80 pixels of maximum spacing. Furthermore, breakpoints such as SM for small screens and LG for large screens are crucial for responsive design, letting you specify different column widths for various device sizes. Beyond basic layouts, Material UI Grid provides advanced alignment options. You can align items vertically within a container using the Align Items prop and distribute them horizontally with the Justify Content prop. For dynamic sizing, Auto Layout enables grid items to automatically take up the available space. Additionally, nesting grids within other grids allows you to create highly complex and organized layouts, providing immense flexibility for intricate designs. These features empower you to build sophisticated user interfaces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.